Okay, here's the tractor. We got a different rear end in it. Manual tranny. Hard top shaft, different gears. Dart carrier and axles. And there's that crazy engine. We had to make a flywheel for it. Take a look at that beauty, huh? And the reason is our rules say the engine has to start on its own. This engine only came with a generator starter or a pull start. So we made the flywheel, ring gears off a k330, I believe, and the starter also off the same engine. We'll get that on there sometime today. So anyway, there it is. Gonna do a little work with the motor mounts down here to make it fit, but it's in there. These engines are pretty unique. There's not one single part that interchanges from any other Kohler engine, except for the valve cover gaskets. Those are the same. Head gaskets are different. Oil pan, gas, everything. Bearing plates.
Yes, and I think we should start tomorrow.
All right, well, I'll get the hood on this thing this weekend probably, and maybe post another video on YouTube.
Not so much.